Good day, everyone. My name is Janmar S. Suan, and I'm from grade 11 STEM Understanding. Today, we're going to talk about the system of nonlinear equation by using elimination. Today, we're going to solve the problem number 3. First, we're going to find the like terms. And ang like terms dito is positive y. Para makancel ang dalawa, we're going to use the subtraction. And after we makancel out ang y, we're going to subtract the negative x squared and negative 6. 0 minus negative x squared is equal to positive x squared, and 0 minus negative 6 is equal to positive 6, and we're going to transpose it to make it, to get the answer, positive x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And ang next step natin is, i-factor out sila. Ang magiging sagot is x minus 3 and x plus 2. And pag-iwalayin sila para makuha ang dalawang value ng x. Ang first value ng x natin is x is equal to 3, and ang pangalawa is x is equal to negative 2. So ang first set ang gagamitin natin para sa substitution step. Y minus x is equal to 0 ang first set. And we're going to substitute the number 3 to x para makuha natin ang unang value na y. So, y minus 3 is equal to 0. So, para makuha ang y, itatranspose natin yung negative 3. Y is equal to positive 3. Ang una nating value ng y. And sa pangalawa naman, gagamitin natin ang pangalawang x. Y minus negative 2 is equal to 0. So, y plus 2 is equal to 0, and ang magiging sagot natin sa y is equal to negative 2. So our solution is 3, 3, and negative 2, negative 2. That's all. Thank you.